Never a contender, always a blender. Whenever there's trouble, you're peace. You come in quite handy. People like your candy. You're funny and you're good with the girls.